Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Mr. Fix-It channel. Today I got this little go-kart. Now I got this thing on trade. I basically have nothing in it. There's no engine on it and it needs some repair. And let's see if I can put an engine on this thing, make it run and drive, maybe fix a few things, try to make it look a little cooler, and see if I can sell this thing for a little bit of money. Stay tuned.
I was sitting out there in the shed one evening, not doing too much of nothing, just kind of staring at the wall. And
Alright, so here's a close-up. This is a tracker. I'm not sure these are factory tires, but well, the seat is, well, it's there. It has steering and looks like Springer front end. Moving to the back here. Looks like we got a live axle. There is a disc brake and a caliper in there. Mechanical type. So we got a jack shaft, a sprocket, and looks like a 420 chain. So this bolts to here, and then looks like it's slotted to adjust the chain. Looks like we got some holes here to mount an engine. So let's figure something out here. Alright, so this is my engine. It's a Briggs & Stratton. It's a flathead. Rated about 5 horsepower. Hopefully this thing will have enough grunt to push that little go-kart. And if you notice, this has an electric start and a charging system. So we can run a key to this and have a little twisty stick. Okay, some other items I have here is this is the driven clutch, or sheaves, or pulley, whatever you want to call that thing. I have the drive clutch, that's brand new, and I have this belt. So yeah, let's start adding stuff on this. So the belt I got looks like it's too short. It's not going to reach the pulley. Okay, so that's not going to reach. So I need to move this engine that way quite a bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a scribe and I'm going to scribe the edge of the motor right here on the jack shaft frame. And that's going to be my reference for where it's sitting at now. Okay, so I'm basically just going to push this forward until the belt will slip on there. I obviously need a longer belt, but there's no time for that now. We got to get this thing running and get it up for sale. So I got these pulleys are almost touching right here. That's the closest I can get it, and we'll see how that works. I'm going to take my scribe again, and I'm going to scribe the case again. Alright, can you see the scribe marks? This one here, and this one right here. So I need to measure the distance between here and there, and then take that measurement and move these 4 holes that way by this much. I'm going to say 1 5/8. Okay, got this holes drilled out. Now let's put this together. Okay, got some slots in here. Let's try this again. I know I'm gonna have to get a longer belt, but let's just see if this works first. All right, let's see how it runs. I think that'll work, sure. All right, now I need to measure for spacers for there and back here, and that'll keep this in that alignment. So it looks like I just need a washer there and a clip. So let's make a spacer for back here. I'm just going to take my scribe and try to scribe a line right there. And we want to take this off, I'll be able to measure that gap. Alright, can you see my scribe line right there? I'm going to measure from that scribe line right there. It's hard to see from where I'm at, but it looks like it's about 470 thousandths according to this scale here. We'll go with that. So this spacer is too short, this one's too long. So I'm going to chuck this in the lathe, turn it down, make a spacer to go on there. Alright, see what we did? 473. Yeah, close enough. Looks like that one washer right there will be just about right. you ever wondered how one of these work, this is what it looks like. Alright, so the exhaust is interfering with the slots, so we'll have to change the exhaust here. The hole's not threaded. Let me see if I can figure out what threads these are and see if I can run a tap through that. It's a quarter 28, quarter national fine thread. We're going to do something different with the mounting of this cable, but this will do for now. Get a test in. gas. Yeah, it's almost out of gas. Well, cool, that works. Yeah, this tire here won't hold any air.